In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scheduled appointments to your WordPress website for free with Calendly. 5 minutes. We'll start on Calendly's website. Open your browser and go to calendly.com. At the top right, click Login. If you're not already signed in, enter the email address you use for Calendly and click Continue, then type your password and continue again. If you use extra security like two-step verification, complete that as prompted. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home or event types page. Here, choose the event you want people to book, such as a 15-minute or 30-minute meeting. Hover over or open the event and click Share. In the sharing options, select Add to Website. You'll see a few embed styles. Choose Inline Embed, which places the scheduler directly inside your page so visitors can book without pop-ups. Click Continue and Calendly will generate the embed code for that specific event. Click Copy Code to copy it to your clipboard. Keep this tab open in case you want to come back and adjust settings later. Now switch to your WordPress website's dashboard. From the sidebar, go to Pages. Click Add Page to create a new page dedicated to booking. Give the page a clear title, like Book an Appointment, so visitors immediately know what it's for. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block, then choose Browse All to see all block options. Search for or scroll to find the custom HTML block and click it to insert the block into your page. In that HTML block, paste the Calendly code you copied. Before publishing, click Preview to make sure the scheduler displays correctly. The preview should show your Calendly event with available dates and times. If you see a blank area, double-check that the entire code was pasted and that you're connected to the internet, since the embed loads from Calendly. Also, ensure you're using the block editor with the custom HTML block, not a paragraph block. If everything looks good, click Publish. Your page is now live and visitors can book time with you directly on your site with confirmations and calendar invites handled by Calendly. On the free plan, this setup works great for a single active event, and you can always return to Calendly later to adjust availability, buffers, or questions without changing the embed on your site. That's it. You've embedded a free Calendly scheduler into your WordPress page in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy booking.